Is the parole of Emil Blonsky.
Emil? Abomination?
Also known as Abomination, Mr. Blonsky is...
Hey guys, magandang umaga o magandang gabi depending on what time you're watching this video. My name is Monica and welcome to my channel. So of course today we are watching the second episode of the new Disney Plus series She-Hulk. I remembered it was on Thursdays today, guys. I did not have that struggle that I had last week, thank God. But last week was actually a really good start to this series. I tried to give first episodes of shows a little bit of leeway because usually they're not gonna be the best episode of the series. But that first episode was actually really fun. I think it really sets the tone for what this series is gonna be about and what it's gonna be like. I love the fourth wall break. I've discovered that She-Hulk was actually doing fourth wall breaks long before Deadpool was doing it in the comics, and I absolutely love that. So that first video has gone in my Marvel/DC playlist, which I put above right now, and this video of course will be going in that playlist along with all of the other Marvel and DC things that I have covered so far. But if you are already a subscriber of mine, you will know that I tried to theme my outfits based on what I'm watching in my videos, and today I'm wearing green. Are you guys happy now? I know last week I didn't wear green, but I said why I didn't wear green last week. I only have a limited amount of green items in my closet, and I don't have enough for 9 episodes, but you guys really wanted me to wear green, so of course I am wearing green today. This is not gonna be an every week thing because I don't have that many green items. My hair today has actually been a bit of a struggle, so instead of wearing my glasses, I'm using them as an accessory to kind of keep my hair tamed. But let's pretend that that's part of the theme, because when Jen turns into She-Hulk and goes back, her hair is always like a little bit, quite a bit messier than it was before she turned. So let's just pretend, it might not look messy to you, but my hair looks disgusting to me today. And for our Marvel themed necklace this week, as you guys know, I don't have any merch that is Hulk related, but last week we went for our cap shield, which actually turned out to be perfect when watching the end credit scene. But I've just gone for something else in my collection this week because I just think I'm gonna be rotating all my different necklaces. Today I am wearing my Mjolnir necklace. I love this necklace so much. But without further ado, let's just get on with this video. Okay, here we go. This must be immediately after the court hearing, and she made her final statement or something, and then she punched that woman. It felt very much like One Punch Man. She beats that person with one punch, and that was it. Okay, so this episode is called Superhuman Law. Judging by the picture, I don't read the description, it's looking like she's getting questions about what happened in the courtroom. Okay, let's just go.
What happened to me?
Okay guys, I was actually supposed to rewatch The Incredible Hulk this week before this episode so that I was like fresh with the knowledge of what happens to Hulk and Abomination, because I know Abomination is in this series, but unfortunately I just didn't have the time. I didn't get around to it. I'm going to try and do it for next week's episode because I know I'm missing some details that are going to be pivotal to this series. I've seen The Incredible Hulk movie a couple of times, but it's years now. It's been so long. That stupid blazer got ripped because she didn't take it off! Yes! Dun, 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 dun,
Where superpowered influencer Titania caused panic while—
oh my gosh, she's from A Good Place!
A new superhero appears responsible.
She didn't even want to be a superhero though. That sucks. When you have great power, you got great responsibility, baby!
That's for somebody called She-Hulk, which can't possibly be what they're calling me. Give them what they want.
Yeah, it's so, I don't know, handy for her that she can turn so easily.
There's a hot chick over there. I'm gonna go talk to it.
Yeah, he called her an it. All I need to know about his character.
Do the Avengers offer healthcare? Maternity leave, a pension? Are they even paid?
Here's the thing though.
Wasn't that a thing in Falcon and the Winter Soldier? They don't get paid that much. Like, obviously Sam was trying to help out with the finances, but it doesn't pay much to be a superhero.
Different metabolism.
Oh, so she gets drunk when she's back in her human self.
We didn't win the case.
Oh, yeah, we did.
Oh, that's so funny. So you can't get drunk when you are in your Hulk form, but you're like super drunk when you go back to being a human.
Jen, I'm sorry. I have to let you go. This makes you a liability for the DA's office.
Wait.
She's been fired?
Wait, you're firing me?
But how can she be attorney at law if she's not an attorney at law?
We can't hire a lawyer who's such a big distraction in court.
We're not prepared to offer you the position at this time.
Sorry. Oh my gosh.
No one's going to bring it up.
Hi, everybody.
Sorry you got fired.
You got fired. So I got promoted to manager over at the Best Buy.
Read the room, my guy.
What do you need me to do, Dad?
That was just an excuse to check in with you.
I'd like to offer you a job.
As a She-Hulk, right? Not as a lawyer.
Because you laid out a winning case against us.
Oh.
Before I had it declared a mistrial.
Oh, she's gonna go for the competing company?
You got me fired, now you want to hire me.
To be head of a new division, yes. Take some time.
I accept.
Girl, maybe haggle the price a little bit. I don't know. Don't be so easy.
If I can hire my own paralegal.
You start Monday.
Don't let them know they've got you under their thumb. You may be under their thumb, but don't let them know. Maintain a little bit of that power for yourself. I know we're desperate, but come on.
The She-Hulk to be the face of it.
See?
I'll expect you to be at work and in court as the She-Hulk.
So. Well, I thought actually that he wasn't a lawyer, and I thought that he worked for the government and wanted her to fight bad guys. But just as bad, they're hiring her just because she's She-Hulk.
Right now.
But her blazer! But first, very quickly, let me tell you about my partnership with Fandomian. I have partnered with Fandomian to let you guys know about some amazing Marvel merch they have in store. Now, they do have merch covering many other fandoms as well, but their Marvel items are what have really caught my eye. Their seemingly endless Spider-Man merch is a must-have. It's free shipping to all orders over $49.90, and if you click the various links in my description box and use the code MONICA, you will get 10% off your entire order. Thank you Fandomian for partnering with me, and be sure to check them out. Their stuff is really cool. Oh man, she's being made a spectacle. Oh, but it didn't break. Oh, she got a stretchier blazer? Oh, what an office.
I'm gonna have to buy an entirely new wardrobe just to come to work.
Yeah, and you're making enough money where you can do that now.
Nah.
Yeah, money is so worth it sometimes.
Snacks and a map to the best bathroom for pooping.
Thank you.
That's actually a very good gift. I like him. Oh, I hope we see more of him. I thought it was going to be like a sly under, like, backhanded thing he was going to say, but no, he seems lovely.
This is the parole of Emil Blonsky.
Emil? Abomination?
Also known as Abomination, Mr. Blonsky has ultra-high security prison.
That Wong can access.
There's a lot of controversy surrounding his...
Dang it, I really should have watched the Incredible Hulk movie this week. I feel like it's gonna be important. Damn.
This man tried to kill my cousin, Bruce.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's quite all right. Mr. Blonsky is well aware of your familial connection and has signed a conflict waiver.
Yeah, but she can't defend him. She won't want his parole.
If you don't take the case, then you don't have a job here.
Wow. Do they know that he's been training with Wong? Is that like a part of... Oh!
Walter.
But what was the point? What can you not get past there? Weapons, maybe?
Although we have taken every precaution...
He will not be in his Abomination form, I'm assuming. He'll be Emil. There he is! He is a great actor. I watched a couple episodes of Lie to Me. He's so good in that.
I was under direct orders from your government.
But then you went on a destructive rampage in Harlem.
Yeah, he was bloodthirsty.
The serum the government gave you caused your subsequent actions?
I was a highly decorated soldier. Various haikus that I've written.
Oh boy. I got a new job.
Hey, congratulations. That's...
Oh, let's see his face here.
I have to take on Emil Blonsky. You know, everybody deserves a second chance. And I'm not falling for an act here, but Blonsky...
He's like, just do it, it's fine.
Actually, Blonsky wrote me a really nice letter.
It's a haiku.
A really heartfelt haiku.
So you're sure you're okay with it, really?
I feel like he's fine, because he's been training with Wong. Because that was before the events of this, because in the end credit scene where Shang-Chi is talking to Wong and Bruce through the whatever intercom thing, hologram situation, he still had his arm broke up. So Wong was training with Abomination before the events of this. So it was while he was in prison? But that means he does transform into the Abomination.
I got some things I gotta take care of.
Spaceship. Do we find out what's going on there?
Phone call over, I guess.
I want to know why he's going to space.
I'd like to accept your offer.
You might want to take a look at the news right now.
Yes.
Oh no.
Showing the Abomination participating in what appears to be...
Is what I was just talking
having somehow escaped from prison.
That sucks.
Okay, I didn't even need to say all of that because he just showed it just now. That's so funny. I feel like... Oh, there's another end credit scene. Are we getting end credit scenes for every episode? That would be awesome, especially because of how short these episodes are.
I've turned it left, I've turned it right.
I thought that they were going to use her strength for something. I thought that's why he called her into the basement or whatever before. Like, I need your help. Can you lift this thing? That's funny. Okay. I'm really quite heavily enjoying this show. It is so... I don't know, it's very light-hearted, it's very easy to follow, I don't know, light-hearted and fun. I don't know how else to describe it, but it's just making me feel very, like, wholesome at the end of it. I think Jen is such a great character. I think Tatiana plays the role really, really well. I like how it's tying into Shang-Chi, and maybe we'll see some Wong. I don't know, maybe she'll need to talk to Wong about what's going on, because he's obviously linked. I feel like Wong has been popping up in so many things lately, and I love that for him, because we love Wong! I really don't know where it's gonna go, because I don't really remember much from the trailer. I just remember Abomination's gonna be in it, and that Abomination's voice sounds very much like Korg. We'll see how that goes. This feels like a show that should be like 20 episodes long, you know, just something that you pop on once a week and you just like sit through it, and it's just very fun. I need to stop saying fun. But let me know how you guys found this episode. Let me know if you liked this video. Are you excited for further episodes? But I think that is it for today's video, guys. If you wanted to hear more from me, my socials are also linked down below. That is my Instagram, my Twitter, and my TikTok. They're all at Monica Katapusan, same as my YouTube name. And thank you guys for watching if you stayed until this point, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys!